Hey investors, welcome to Trading Journals. You've probably heard the buzz. Trade Ideas claims to be the ultimate AI stock scanner. But the real question is this: does it actually help you trade smarter, or is it just another overpriced tool draining your account? Today, we're going to dig into the Trade Ideas review no one else will, exposing the highs, the lows, and what they don't tell you up front. Let's get real. Let's start with what actually matters to most traders, the Trade Ideas reviews. Because no matter how good an AI stock trading platform sounds on the net, the real story always lives in the hands of real users. And if you're smart, you don't just skim the 5-star stuff, you go straight for the 1-star reviews. Why? Because that's where the buried problems usually pop up first. And that's exactly what we did. We came across a story from a trader who felt like he was manipulated. He said the team made him feel like he was part of an exclusive investment circle, pushed to invest more and more. And then he was locked out of his account, and panic set in. But luckily for him, he got help, and within a few weeks, he had his funds back. But still, that's a nightmare scenario, right? But before you panic, let's zoom out to Trade Ideas' holistic review. How common is this? We dug deep, scoured forums, checked complaint boards, even stalked Reddit threads, and here's what we found. For every one of these horror stories, there are thousands of users sailing smooth. Think about it. If this were happening all the time, the internet would be on fire. But it's not. In fact, most of the negative reviews boil down to two things: billing confusion during trials and auto-renewal grapes. Annoying? Absolutely. But fixable. But if you're still worried, here's your playbook. Always document everything, screenshot your cancellation requests, email support directly, don't just rely on the cancel button, and if things go sideways, your credit card company has your back. Simple precautions, but they'll save you headaches. Now, let's flip the script, because the overwhelming majority of users are obsessed. Trade Ideas boasts a 4.7-star rating across thousands of Trade Ideas reviews. One veteran trader who's been 10 years in the game said he wouldn't trade without it, called this AI trader finder his secret weapon for spotting trades that no other scanner catches. And get this, he couldn't even understand the negative reviews because everyone in his trading circles swears by it. Then there's this newbie who tried the $10 trial and never looked back. He said it transformed his trading, helped him find opportunities he'd have missed entirely. He loved the customization, raved about the support, and called Trade Ideas the industry leader. That's not just satisfaction, that's loyalty. Now, if you're going to invest in a premium trading platform, it better bring premium tools to the table, right? And Trade Ideas is not just a stock screener for day trading. It's a full-blown AI-driven command center built for serious traders who need real-time decision-making power. And at the heart of that is speed and precision. Let's kick off with the hover chart feature. Now, if you've ever tried to analyze markets quickly, you know the pain of clicking into each alert or symbol just to see if it's even worth your time. But with hover charts, that problem disappears. All you have to do is move your cursor over a stock and bam, the chart pops up instantly. This is especially helpful when you're working through dozens of alerts in a fast-moving market. It cuts down friction and lets you scan opportunities without stopping your flow. For active day traders, this is a huge win. Then we have the channel bar. This one is all about control and clarity. Think of it like a TV remote, but instead of channels like sports or news, you're flipping between trading styles. So whether you're into low float runners, swing setups, social sentiment plays, or high short interest stocks, the channel bar lets you snap into each mode with one click. No need to rebuild your entire layout. It's already done for you. And if you've got your own AI-powered stock trading style, you can create your own channel and then save it and return to it anytime. That level of flexibility keeps you locked in on your edge without wasting any time. Now let's talk about real-time stock races. This is where Trade Ideas AI trading software gets visually fun, but also powerful. Instead of scrolling through static data, imagine watching stocks race each other across your screen based on live market performance. You're not just reading tickers, you're seeing momentum build in real time. It turns top list data into something you can process at a glance. The faster something moves up that screen, the more action it's seeing. For visual thinkers, this feature alone can reshape the way you spot trends and chase volume. But what ties all of this together is the fact that every single one of these AI trading platform features is made for active traders. The serious ones. The ones who need to cut through noise, act quickly, and make better decisions under pressure. But look, we're not saying Trade Ideas is flawless. No AI stock trading platform is. There are Trade Ideas pros and cons. And now let's talk about the cons. If we had to pick the one thing that might trip people up, it's the AI trading learning curve, right? This stock trading AI platform is powerful, but it's deep. When you first log on, especially if you're more used to more basic scanners, the interface can feel overwhelming. But the good news is that they've got trading built right in. The webinars, the tutorials, help docs, and even a live support team that actually responds. So yeah, it takes a little time, but once you get the hang of Trade Ideas Scanner, you're working with one of the most capable trading platforms out there. So let's talk about Trade Ideas pricing. If you've made it this far in the Trade Ideas review, you're probably wondering how much all of this power is going to cost. Well, here's the deal. It's definitely built for committed traders. It's not the cheapest tool on the market, and honestly, it's not trying to be. If you're just dabbling in trading, it might feel like a stretch, but if you're someone who trades often and wants access to tools that can actually move the needle, it's reasonably priced for the value it offers. Check the link in the description of this video for the current pricing and their latest discounts or promos. We try to keep that link updated so you don't miss any deals. So, is Trade Ideas worth it? If you're a serious AI stock trader who wants cutting-edge tools, trading ideas, high-speed scanning, and AI-powered alerts, it just might be. There's a reason so many pros swear by their trade signals, but don't take our word for it. Try their AI trading software signals yourself. Check the link down in the description of this video to get started with our special discount and coupon.